I want to see how your hands go for the ride when you do grasping of the bird's tail. Okay, you watch me first, okay? And then you see, without any words or instructions, how you can better your grasping of the bird's tail. Ready? No words, okay? Two times. Make it better. And hold your ball. Okay. So what besides going slowly did you do that was different? So you ask yourselves, did I really use my internal energy or my chi to make my hands go for the ride? Or did I just use my hands to make my form look nice? It can look nice too, but that's a partial journey. You want to move it up to make it a full journey. So I'm going to do it for you, and I'm going to tell you what I feel I'm feeling and how I'm getting my movements, okay? So I'm rooted down. The whole idea is that the hands go for the ride because the energy that you have, everybody has energy, is stored correctly. If stored correctly, then you're going to have to decide and make that energy make your movements alive, not just the limbs, okay? My energy stored here. I know that I want to come out on an L. I move that energy up and across out to my fingertips, both fingertips. I turn my hips and waist. I position my hands. My energy is in my back foot as I sit down, sit back, look back, turn, contact, come to my mid position, push out. My energy rolls back. The better I can roll and make myself small, the nicer I can deliver the blow to the front. Sit down, sit back, energy on the back to allow the twist. Center, weight on the back because that's where my energy is stored. Out on an L, push by moving that energy. Turning my hips and waist will get my positions of my hand to then sit down. I feel that the hands are moving because my mind's telling it. The energy of my back leg is helping me now to disperse that energy as I then gather it back in my back foot, make myself as small as I can, and then pushing up that force to put my hands in the right position. I did not decide that this is what I was going to do. I did not make myself small and then position my hands. In this last incident, we see a lot of it, but you're on your journey. But realize that the hands go for the ride. Only because the energy in your mind, all it's doing is positioning here and then moving that energy. My hand is moving only because it's part of my body. Whereas if you don't understand that concept or you're having a hard time with it, the energy was still stored here and the hands just did not go for a ride. You saw the difference. Yeah, you can see it. Why would your heel naturally come back?
Your weight is shifting.
Exactly. If your weight is not in the back, you're going to have two weighted feet. But once you decide, sit down, sit back, the weight shifts to the back. But when the weight's down, the energy now spirals forward, you're going to give your front foot half or 40% of the weight. So logic, yeah. But okay, lots to learn, lots to perfect, lots to stimulate our minds besides moving in the right way. So that's ideal for Tai Chi. And remember now, grasping of the bird's tail comes in all three forms. Not just the 10, not just the 24, but also the 16. So learn it right, because when you move up or do the other form, you'll be right on target.